Hey everyone! If your compost pile is stinky, stagnant, or just not breaking down, you're not alone. Composting isn't magic, it's science, and a few simple tweaks can get things cooking. Today, we'll break down the 5 most common compost fails and how to fix them fast. By the end, you'll know how to turn that mess into rich, earthy compost your plants will love. Grab a notepad and maybe a clothespin for your nose, and let's debug your compost. Don't forget to subscribe for real, no-frills garden help all year long. First up, too many greens. Nitrogen-rich materials like kitchen scraps and grass clippings. Too much green, not enough browns like dry leaves or cardboard, and your pile turns slimy and stinky. The fix? Add 2 to 3 parts browns for every part green. Layer or mix in dry leaves, shredded cardboard, or straw to absorb moisture and restore balance. Stop adding greens for a bit and mix thoroughly. You'll notice odors fade and decomposition speed up. Remember, balance is key for a healthy, sweet-smelling pile. Keep it simple. More browns, less stink. Next, let's talk airflow. Compost microbes need oxygen to thrive. If your pile is dense or compacted, it goes anaerobic. Hello, rotten egg smell? Solution. Turn your pile every week or two with a pitchfork or shovel. Mix from outside to inside, top to bottom, to keep air moving. Build your pile with a base of coarse browns for airflow. Use bins with ventilation or add air pipes if you want to get fancy. More air means faster, odor-free compost. Don't let your pile suffocate. Turn it and let it breathe. Moisture matters. Too dry and your pile stalls. Too wet and it turns to sludge. Aim for a wrung-out sponge feel. Damp but not soggy. Do the squeeze test. Grab a handful, squeeze. Just a drop or two should come out. Too dry? Add water and more greens, mixing as you go. Too wet? Add dry browns like leaves or cardboard and turn the pile to dry it out. Cover your pile if rain is a problem. Keep moisture in the Goldilocks zone for happy microbes. Simple checks keep your compost on track. Not everything belongs in your compost. Avoid meat, dairy, oily foods, pet waste, diseased plants, and weeds with seeds. They attract pests or spread problems. Skip plastics, glass, treated wood, and glossy paper. These won't break down or can contaminate your compost. Stick to fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, grass clippings, leaves, and shredded cardboard. When in doubt, leave it out. Clean inputs mean safe, healthy compost. Keep your pile pure for the best results. Composting takes time. Don't expect finished compost overnight. Pile size matters. Aim for at least 3 by 3 by 3 feet size for hot, fast composting. Small piles break down slowly and may not get hot enough to kill weed seeds. If your pile is tiny, combine scraps to build volume. Chop materials smaller, keep moisture right, and turn regularly for speed. Cold composting works too, just be patient. Bigger, well-tended piles break down faster. Good compost is worth the wait. There you have it, the 5 biggest compost mistakes and how to fix them. Balance greens and browns, keep air and moisture just right, avoid contaminants, and build a decent-sized pile. It might seem like a lot, but soon it'll be second nature. The reward? Rich garden-boosting compost and less waste. Every gardener learns by doing. Don't stress over mistakes. Like, subscribe to Fred's Sustainable Gardening and share your compost wins or fails in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy composting.